Hello everyone, first of all, please allow us to introduce ourselves. I am Loyal for the Rongshan School.
My name is Chen Zhongshen from Rongshan School.
We will introduce the automatic cleaner boat for the garbage on water.
First, let me talk about the background. There exist various kinds of garbage pollutions in rivers, lakes, and seas, and most of them can be divided as follows. Number 1. Short-term garbage, often located in the upstream area with large water flows and traveling a short distance. Though in small number, it can greatly affect the smell of water. Number 2. Long-term garbage. It usually travels a long distance past urban area and residential area with rivers met with comparatively small water flows, for example, dams. Waters with long-term garbage are usually in dark green and sometimes covered with weeds. It has a stinking smell like rotten fish. Number 3. Multiple pollution. It has a long travel distance in areas with large water flows, and it often gathers in river banks. Even though cleaners work every day on the rivers, much more efforts need to be done to solve the problem thoroughly. By designing automatic cleaning boats for garbage on water, we can at least cut down working burdens of the cleaner. The second analysis. Garbage on the rivers has a bad influence on the images of a city or scenic areas. Currently, most of the garbage in water is connected by manual work, which is not only of low efficiency, but also dangerous to a certain extent. Huge in both size and tonnage, excites. Cleaning vessels are often common motor mobility ships equipped garbage connecting device. Because of the lack of accessibility and high price, such vessels do not fit into small waters areas. However, these waters are often in scenic areas or other crowded places, which calls for a higher frequency of cleaning. Thus, garbage cleaning products of small size are in great demand.
Number 3. Design and methodology. Our project is not to replace the work of a professional cleaner, but to assist them with supplementary cleaning. We decide to make a small collector for the garbage on water. In order to bring our idea into the reality, we first make a small automatic cleaning boat for the garbage on water, whose components include a catamaran, a garbage net, a garbage collecting device, a wireless radio transmission modem, infrared obstacle avoidance modules, a motor of the hierarchical control, propellers and controller, which float plants, solar panels, and batteries. The automatic cleaning boat is made out of the 2 long cabins, and the garbage collecting device is composed by the driving shaft, a driver shaft, a filtration belt, and finishing rods. 2 ends of the driving shaft are fixed inside the front of the cabin, supported by the bearings, while 2 ends of the driving shaft are fixed inside the back of the back cabins. Connecting with the engine output shaft installed on the surface. At the same time, the driving shaft must be sent above the driving one. Both the driving shaft and the driving shaft are covered by the flip belt with the fishing rods on the surface. The garbage net is behind the driving shaft between the 2 cabins, and the filter plane slopes down between the filter belt and the garbage net.
Motors are installed in the back of each cabin, and engine output shafts stretch outside cabins, connecting with a hub on propellers. A wireless radio transmission module consists of a wireless module connected with a radio device set on the front of cabins. Two infrared obstacle avoidance modules are on the front of two cabins separately. Inside cabins are batteries and a controller, which is linked with wireless radio transmissions and infrared obstacle avoidance modules. Meanwhile, the wireless transmissions is linked with ground control. Solar panels are installed on the surface of cabins and connected with batteries by charging device, whose VOVP is linked to controllers, wireless radio transmissions modules, and infrared obstacle avoidance modules.
Now, let's get our idea clear. Our automatic cleaning boat for the garbage on water is a boat that can automatically clean floating garbage on water. That's because two fishing devices for the garbage are installed on boats, which collect garbage drifting around into the garbage net. Also, a carrier belt next to the net makes it possible to transport the garbage to the banks. The energy of the boat comes from the batteries charged by the solar energy and wind energy. Number 4. Highlights of the design. Highlights of our design are as follows. Our automatic cleaning boat for the garbage on water makes full use of the boatless resources such as solar energy and wind energy. An automatic cleaning boat can be placed on any river bed or calm water. The centripetal force of the propellers allows the boat to collect garbage automatically, store it in the net, and transport it to the banks. The accessibility and low cost of the material makes our design feasible. The density of the human labor is decreased. Okay, let's look at the picture. This is the blend. This is the cabbage net, solar panels, carrier belt, and entrance for the garbage. In the end,
Thanks for your watching.